send you. Okay, first of all, just go to the launch the EC2 instance. Put the name. This name is Docker 17. Scroll down and select Amazon Linux and T2 Micro and create key .17 key and .pem. Just create key and then it's downloaded. Now just go to the and scroll down and launch stars. And then just wait few seconds and then also you need a HTTP and port 8080. So you can go inside the EC2 instance, click on security and then go to the your security group. Just wait.
Yeah.
Yes, this is the security group. Okay, now scroll down and go to the inbound. And here you need a two rule. First, just go for the HTTPD for all, and also just custom TCP and 8080. And this also just anywhere. And
8080.
Yeah, 8080 and HTTP. Both are open now. And now you need just connect with the, just go inside and connect. And now click on SSH client and copy this link and type CMD, open the command prompt. And now CD downloads and then connect with console. And now you are connected with the Docker EC2 instance. So first of all, just sudo -i, and now you are in the root. So first of all, just install the Docker and start the Docker. This is the first task. So how can you just install the Docker? So this is very simple. So just yum install -i. So now you can system ctl start Docker. Okay.
Yeah.
So now now system ctl start Docker. So now you can check system ctl status Docker. Okay, now system ctl is started. Now, okay, now Docker is started. Now check the image. Docker images. There is no any image available. So this time today, we are just going to create our own image. Okay, in previous classes, we always pull the image from Docker Hub, and then in second class and second stage, we just pull the image from Docker Hub, then we just modify the image and then recreate the image. But today we will compose the image. We will create the image through the Docker file, Docker compose file. So right now we are using, first of all, right now we just create the directory mkdir, just create the directory with name of Faraz. Okay, just use Faraz hang.
Hello, uncle.
Hello, can you hear me?
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, अभी सही है. Screen is.
Oh, now अब सही है? अब चेक नजर आ रहा है?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, now mkdir and for us. Okay, and go to the
Yeah.
Faraz, and we will right now we will work in the Faraz directory. So vi, and always remember, if whenever you need to create the Docker file, then always use D capital and Docker file just in this format. Okay, so
Okay.
always,
Yeah.
okay, this is the requirement. Okay,
Okay.
and these are the commands from where you if you want to use the from this command platform Ubuntu CentOS, just provide the platform image
Okay.
platform. This command will provide the platform either it may be Ubuntu, CentOS, Nginx, any platform. And
Okay.
run command just for to execute command as a layer form. And
Right.
maintainer command, this command is author owner. If you want to mention the author name, owner name, then you can use the maintainer. Copy
Yeah.
command, if you want to copy some something, some file system from local to the website, then you always use copy command. And add
Mm.
command, if you want to download from internet some files from the download from internet, then you always use add command. And
Right.
expose, if you want to publish any TCP port, then use expose command. And expose command you can mention, you can represent through p also. Okay, this is the expose. And in working directory, if you want to show the working directory, then working directory always working with the work dir. But all command you can see here, all command in the capital, not small letter.
Yeah.
Okay, cmd execute during the container, and entry point same as cmd command, and environment entry point cmd command and environment variable. But in this class we will use only the from and copy, two commands. We will use only two commands. All are the commands
Okay.
available here, but we will use only two commands: from for image and copy for file. Okay,
Right. Yeah.
so we will use two commands. So which, and also we will use the volume command. Okay,
Mm.
volume
Okay.
volume is just for storage. Okay, you can set here. Also you can see here volume command for add storage. Any partition, any device, any partition, any uh, storage, you can add the storage in content. Okay, so in this example we will create the file. Okay, we will create the file and use the volume, and then we will
Yeah.
build the image, and then we will create the through the container. Okay, so it's very simple. So we will use only from and volume first. Okay,
Okay.
then we will use the copy. But in this
Okay.
class we just use only from and volume. The simple example here you can see here, docker file for volume. Okay, so this is the variable you can change. You can change with the replace with my volume, you can replace with the Faraz, you can replace with the volume, you can replace with the any name, no problem. Okay, so right now we are just using this default name, no problem. We are just going to create docker file. Always type the docker file, you just docker and then file. Always use this docker file, D capital, and
Okay.
without any space between docker and file.
Right.
Always it's
Okay.
the same thing. Just enter, and now you can see here, this is the editor, Linux editor. So here we will mention here, you can see this is the code. This is the only 3-line code, but this we already used. Only 2-line code. We are using from and volume only. From
Okay.
We are just define the image name. Image name is CentOS. Platform is a
Okay.
CentOS image, and you can also
Mm.
set here the Ubuntu. It's up to
Oh, yeah.
you.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
so you just
HTTPD as
copy.
well.
Yeah, HTTPD
Okay.
we can
Yeah.
use, but right now only 2-line commands. Just okay, just paste here and then escape colon WQ and escalation and enter. Very simple.
Right.
Okay, now you can ls and docker file available. Now docker file is available in your code, and if you want to check, get docker file, you can see 2-line code from Ubuntu and volume, my volume.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
this docker file is available. Now you can create the docker image from this file because
Right.
instructions available here. Now you can
Mm.
create the docker image. So docker image, how can you create the docker image? This is the command, docker build -t and then image name and then dot for the
Right.
add all the or add all the instruction within the directory, current directory. Okay, right now we are where are we are in the Faraz directory. Add means
Yeah.
everything in the Faraz directory, just add as an instruction. So what is the command? Docker and then build, build and -t
Yeah.
and then image name. What image you want to set? We are just
CentOS.
sorry, which name? Just take.
CentOS or Ubuntu.
No, this is the image name which you want to make new image name. Uh,
Oh, okay. So any name.
any name, yeah, test. Okay,
Okay.
and
Yeah.
then space and then dot is the very important. Without dot it will
Okay.
not create. Remember this thing,
Right.
whenever you go to the build the image, then docker build -t image name and dot. Okay, now
Right.
you can see the image is created. Now image, now check
Okay.
docker images. Image is created and image name is test.
Image name is test. Yeah.
Yeah, now image is created. Now if you want to run this image, then same command. If you want to create and run the container, this is the same name, same name here, docker run -it name container id here, and then my image, and which image you created, test image and bin bash. It's the same command you
Okay.
already used in the previous classes. Okay,
Yeah.
what the command? If you want to create the container, then simple. First of all, you just clear the screen, and now if you want to we have already image available in our engine. The image name is test. So what is the command to create the container? Docker run means create
Yeah.
and run the image -it and then --name, and now set which name you want to give the container. We are just setting the font -1. This is the name, only this is the name. And
Okay.
now you need to put the image name, which image you want to use here. So test image, test, and then
Yeah.
bin bash. You already use this command. Okay, now enter.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, now you are inside the container right now, and you can see ls, and you can see the my volume. This is the basically your volume. This is the interface. Okay, this is
Mm.
the just like a directory, and you just cd my volume. Just go. Now you are inside the volume. This
Yeah.
is the partition. You can call this is the partition. This is the volume. You can save your data here. This is just like this.
Okay.
If you just go the here in the my computer, this PC, these are the partition. right? Right? This is the Zoom data. This is just this is the just like a partition storage. This is the offline storage, but this is the online storage for the container. You can save your data here. This is the volume.
Right.
Okay. So now if you want to exit from here, then you just direct command exit, and now you are in the file. But this, if whenever you already know, if you just check now docker ps, there is no any image or no any container running. So just check docker ps hyphen a. You can see there is a cont1 is running. So cont1 is created, but exited.
Yeah.
It means it's off mode. So now you need to what command? Docker start and container ID. This is the container ID. Just paste here and enter. And now this is the container ID. And now if you want to check now again docker ps, the container is running, right?
Yeah.
This is the you can check the and also you can docker ps hyphen a, enter. Okay, up to 29 seconds. Okay, and now if you want to create another image, then you can ls. Okay, now docker file is available, but you can use this file again, but there's no any impact on the container and images will be there. If you just modify the docker file, then no any impact will be on the other side in the images, and if you just check the image, this image will remain same, test image will remain same, and docker ps, this container will remain same, no any impact. If you change the docker file, then no any impact on the container and image. So right now we are just going to use again same file, docker file, because you can't create another file. Remember this thing. If you want to compose the docker file, then always use same docker file name. You can't use. So just go again, and right now we are just using, just press I, and this time we are just using the now we are using CentOS, and my volume name we are just changing here. This volume name is Faraz. Okay, now just escape colon WQ and escalation, and this. Okay, now you can check ls. Docker file is just modified the docker file. This is the new file, but now you just create the another image. Okay, but different name, because you have already the test image. Oh, you have test image, so you can create the test2. You can create the test2, but what is the command? Docker build -t, and then image name we are just using test2, and then dot. Okay, and enter. Now you can see the image is creating, and docker images. Yes, test and test2, both images created. Okay, and now now you can use this test2 image and create the container through the test2. What is the command? Docker run -it hyphen name, and then container name, cont container -2, and then image name. Which image you want to use? This time test2, and then in bash. Okay, now just enter. Now your image is created. Now just check ls. And where is your Faraz? This is the Faraz here. This is the partition. This is the storage. And you can go inside the Faraz. And also you can create the for directories, files, anything you can create here.
Right.
This is the best thing. Okay, now you have checked if you want to, but right now you are inside the container. So just first exit and then just check docker ps-a. You have two containers, but one exited and one is up. So you need to docker, use the command docker start and image name. Which image is exited, just copy and paste it.
Yeah.
And enter. Okay, now docker ps and enter. Now both images are up.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the best thing. Okay, now I think you just got this point, and you can easily create the Docker engine. First, you need to launch the EC2 instance with Amazon Linux, and then you need to install the Docker, and then you just compose the Docker images, compose the Docker file, and then create the first image and then container. Okay, I'm also sending you this document.
Right.
I'm just sending you Farad, and I'm just sending you document, and then okay, you can now you can check the WhatsApp I sent you.
Yeah, got him clear.
Now I'm just going to stop the sharing.